Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can start a new league championship of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video is for beginner or new into this game. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So no more FIFA in all console, all platform. Let's get started by tapping leagues feature here. And as you can see, there are some features that you can try. You can create your own. That I want to show you is this one, championship. So start a new league championship. Just tap it. So the minimum is you have to start championship. This one, you must have a minimum 4 members active in order to participate in league competition. But if you do not have, you will get some error message. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the text button below. Enjoy the game.